What's up everyone, FG Tech here and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video regarding the latest news we got from Android Auto. As you guys know, the latest interface will be released for everybody on 16th of December, but today I would just want to show how you can activate it anyway. I have this on since beginning of August, so since a long time. Maybe some of you can find this useful if you didn't do it already. So let's go into the details and I will show you how to do that. So the first thing you'll have to do is simply download the new APK. So the new Android Auto app, you can find it here. So just type on Google APK Android Auto or go into apkmirror.com. I will leave you guys a link down below in the descriptions. So simply open it, you will find different versions of it. Just take the latest available version. Obviously this will depend on your ARM version, if it's 32 or 64 bits. Usually if you have a quite recent phone it will surely be 64 one. So basically just choose the latest date. Now it's 19th of November as far as you can see. We have 4 variants. So as I was talking before, just choose the 64 version, which is the version 8A, as you can see here. Just go for it, download APK. Yeah, okay. So it's downloading, 16 megabytes. It's already done. Open it and this will install it. I won't do it now since I have it already on. So let's go to the next step now. Next step you'll have to do is just to be on the safe side, just enable the developer function. So you can do that simply by going into the information, so about phone, software information, and just tap on the build number. Yeah. Just enter your PIN. Okay, once it's done, it will confirm you here that you have the developer options enabled. So go back again and you will find here at the bottom. So here now you have the developer options. Probably you don't need this step, but you can do it, it's no harm. So just now enable the USB debugging mode. Okay. Once this is done, simply open Android Auto that you installed previously. Okay, now that it's opening it, simply go here on the options, click on settings, then you should have an option here, try the new Android Auto. So I will now show you how it was before and how it looks now, the new interface. So it will be a much better experience. So we are ready now to connect our Android device to the car. As you can see here, I didn't enable try new Android Auto, so we're gonna look at the previous version first. So our Android device now is connected to the USB, and as you can see here, we have the older version of Android Auto. It's showing up here that in 8 days it will change directly to the new version. But as I said, we can force it manually. So as you can see here, we don't have much in the older Android Auto. So the home button is here, we have the maps here, you can choose maps or weights, then audio. So you have different audio options, but let's say everything is really located in multiple places. You don't have everything at hand in one single place. That's, I think, the main gain of the new version. Here you can do your calls. So let's look now at the new version. So Android Auto settings again, and now let's try the new Android Auto. Let's connect it and see how it looks like. Phone connected again, and we can see now the new UI. As we can see here, the new UI is much more clear. We have everything in one single menu. So you have all your apps showing up here. There are also additional ones. So as we can see here, we also have a weather now. We also have weather on the top here. Maybe you can see that. And yeah, everything is much more clear. Everything in one place finally. Maps working as usual. Phone a little bit different. We can also see some new functions, like for example news.
Here's the latest news. By the way, you can control the news by saying skip or stop the news.
Reminder.
What's the reminder?
Calendar.
There are 2 entries for this week.
And the last one is weather.
Right now in Milan it's 8 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. The forecast tonight is 8 and mostly cloudy.
Okay, and that's all for today. Please make sure to comment this video if you liked it, or in case you have any questions for me or any doubts, and I will try to help. And let me know if you like this video, and be sure please to subscribe if you want more content like this one, and see you in the next video.